How to paint a lei. Let's go. You could do many flowers for a lei, but I chose a plumeria, also known as a frangipani, and I'm just prepping myself. Alright, we're going to start with a layer of white paint in the typical flower petal shape. I am going to do 5 petals on every single one of the flowers in the lei, and I'm starting in the middle of my chest, then going upwards to my shoulders. And I'm doing 2 layers of every single paint, as you just saw there. That was the second layer. And then I'm going to take a yellow mixed with a white to break up the area so you know where it starts and where it ends. This is all going to be on the same side, and that's the second layer as well. You're going to divide it up with the white to make it that shape, that unique shape that these flowers have. And like I said, we're doing 2 layers. I almost said flavors. This is not food. I'm so hungry right now. Anyways, so we're doing 2 layers and everything. Right now we're going in with a red on the outside of the flower. And then we're going to put an orange right closer to the middle. And then we're going to drag those colors inside. And the yellow's already there, so it'll blend very nice with it. You can use any brush. I just use cheap brushes. There's the orange layer going in, and this you don't really have to do multiple layers on. You can drag it in with your finger or a brush that has nothing on it. Either way, it works really well. I prefer a flat brush. It seems to be easier. You want the white layer to be small, so I'm just going in and making that smaller with the red. And you also want this inner part of the white to be as dark as possible so you can see the shape and it looks more three-dimensional. And I'm just going back in with white. Just adding a couple details. You don't want the white layer to be big. In a couple of the flowers I did it way too big, but I didn't see it till afterwards, and you could see how it throws off the balance. Like I said before, the dark really pulls out the flower, and you could really see the dimension of the petal. You can use eyeshadow instead of paint if you wanted to. Actually, I did use eyeshadow to darken up the inside of the petal of the white, as you see. Usually with making things pop, you use eyeshadow. I think it's much more vibrant with eyeshadow than it is paint, and it's much easier to manage and blend. Now I'm taking a water bottle and a clean brush and cleaning up the white to make it as thin as possible without making it disappear. And then I'm going in with red in the middle and dragging it out so it looks like it has a place that it's leading to without the white just being right in the center. And there you go. You got a beautiful lei. Congratulations on whatever you did to deserve a lei. Okay, bye.